I once lived on a quiet lake in northern Minnesota, and I would love to watch these majestic birds fly in on their huge wings and land at the water's edge, where they go fishing. Blue herons are magnificent birds, and some of them are so tall they can almost look you in the eye. We've got a heron today standing on a log. Let's draw this beautiful bird looking as magnificent on our page as it does in real life. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Let's add some color to this drawing now. We'll speed up the video. Pause or reduce the speed if you need to. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.